Hello everybody, this is New Hampshire, February 2021. I'm going to show you how to find chaga mushroom, and this one is a lot of benefit from it. If you want to check out what it can help you, is you go to superfood.com. They will tell you all the benefit of chaga mushroom. This one is right behind my house, which is 50 feet off my porch. I found one a few years ago, and I've been chopping off a piece of it and boil and drink it. Tastes pretty good. I like the taste of it, and I'll show you what it looked like. It's a chaga mushroom. It grow in the crack of that birch tree. So, and if you look on the other tree beside it, on the top there, is another one up there. I don't know if you can see it or not. It's up there yet. You can use axe, anything. You can knock it off. I used to use axe and knock it off, but this case I'm gonna just chip a little piece and show you what it looked like inside. It's yellowish, spongish look like. You see it at a chaga. Nothing look like that. That is the best thing you can find. You can find on live tree, and you will see some on a dead tree, but I was just not keeping those, because when you find in a dead tree, the color is not yellowish anymore, kind of dark brownish. I don't think it's good for medicine anymore. Probably no good now. Yeah, that's what you're looking for, and I'm going to show you where to find it and where to look for it and how to process it. So, hi. So, I found another one not too far from my house. It's probably 500 feet away from my house, and as you can see, not that big, this one. It just start coming out. So what you're looking for is a tree that get damaged. It's this one. Half of it die. One side of the tree die. So on birch tree. Sorry. And that's what you're looking for. Any tree that look shaggy, get hit with the ice storm, snowmobile trail. I found a lot of chaga that grow next to the grow on a birch tree next to the trail, especially. But most likely they're not that big, because a lot of people find it too. And I'm not gonna take this off because it's small. I'm gonna keep it growing. I spot this one 3 years ago, about the size of my thumb. Now, the size about an eighth now. So it grow very, very slow. So, all right, we'll go to the next one. Okay, so this is out of my property, but I walk on a snowmobile trailing, and like I showed you earlier, that I found a lot of these mushrooms next to the trail, because when something happened to the bark, the mushroom grow. So I'll show you what it looks like. see. There, bug. Get damage. And a grow mushroom. I'm going to show you how I remove it. So on this tree there's a couple size of it. Couple of mushrooms that grow in it. 1, 2, a little tiny one over here, and 4. So I'm gonna just remove one of them on the top here and leave the rest of it because they're kind of small. So I'm gonna let it grow and use the axe and hit it. Like that. Okay, I get a chunk of it. I'm gonna leave that spot, leave that piece right there. That way, growing again. Keep growing. So here's a piece of it. Inside, yellow, spongy looking. All right, I'm going to show you how to process it. I mean, how to cut it and dry it. Hi, so I'm back at home and I get 2 pieces of chaga to slice it to show you how to cut it and boil it and make the tea. So very important, as soon as you get home or the next day, don't let it too dry, because when it dry, it's very hard to cut and it fly everywhere. So that's why I have a box, cardboard box that I come to useful with chaga, because it protect from flying everywhere when you chop it. So I open the top of the box, that way you don't get in the way of my axe. So find any piece of wood, put it in there, and just chop it real easy. It fly everywhere, so let me adjust the camera a little bit more where you can see. So it's very soft right now, but if you keep it for a couple days, you can cut it. And how big it wants, because I don't want to be too small. The way they come out everywhere when you boil it. Oh, that piece flying to the bag, but the bark is stopped most of the stuff that flying left or right forward. Very tough to cut, but that's what it look like. So you can either dry it in the sun, or in the winter you could put in front of pellet stove next to the wood stove and put in dehydrator you want. I used to do, I get like 10 to 30 pounds I put in dehydrator. That way it dry quicker. So I do it 24 hours all dried up, ready to put in a bag and keep it for the whole year. So I drink a lot of chaga, and it's a lot of benefit from it, and I can't I don't know all about it, but if you go to superfood.com, you will find out what they're used for, and it's a lot of them. And I know that one of my friends have cancer, and he used chaga, turkey tail, renshi together, and he's still alive today. And you never know what mushroom can do to you. And next, I'm going to show you how to boil it, and just talk a little bit about when you boil it. So, first batch, I put like this much in the pot, and not much of water, about 2-3 cups of water. So boil about 15 minutes, and then I drink it. But you can save it, don't throw it away, because the stuff is still good inside, even you boil it one time already. And the older they are, the longer you're gonna boil it. Like first batch, you put it in, boil 15 minutes. Next time you want to drink it again, add more water in there. You boil it a little longer, because you want to get all the good stuff out from the inside of mushroom. And all right, I get a pot on the stove. That's mushroom in there. A lot of water, but we'll let it boil down a little bit. Now we wait. Start to get boiled, and you see the color is already changed black, like a coffee color. Oh, by the way, I forgot to mention, when it's no good, I mean the bitter taste is go away. No more bitter taste. You throw it out. Get the new, put the new one in. That's it. Tastes like coffee. You can drink this like coffee and get cream or whatever you want to prefer to drink. Enjoy. Please subscribe and like and share if you want. Thank you.